Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here, tutoring Draw Pompompurin from Sanrio. So let's get started. To draw this cute Golden Retriever, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a small circle. And then let's go ahead and just put a highlight in here and then shade everything else in. And then I'm going to come right across nice and wide, so say about right here. And we're going to draw the same thing. There. So now with my two eyes in, let's go ahead and draw the nose. So right in between, let's say about right here in the center, I'm going to go ahead and draw a soft curve. And then draw this little nose for our dog. Come towards the center and shade it in. And put in a highlight. There. And I'm just going to make this eye a little bit bigger to match the other side. Now that I'm looking at my camera, need to look just a little bit. Okay, so now that I have that, let's go ahead and come straight down right here in the center with a straight line. And then we're going to curve it up on this side and just kind of hook it in. And then on this side, we're going to come down a little bit lower and hook it up. There. It's kind of like this curve, these two curves being a little bit different, that kind of makes Pompompurin very special. So now that we have that in, let's go ahead and let's just use maybe like the center of the eye. We're going to come out as our guide. We're going to come out, say about right here, nice and wide. Same thing on the other side. Say about right here. About the same amount of distance on both sides. And then we're going to go ahead and come right here and draw a curve. So this is going to be the side of his face. So now that we have that, we kind of know where we're working with for the face. And then let's bring this curve up just a little bit above the eye. Let's say about right there. Just going to drag this across to about right here. It's just easier for my hand to draw down on this side. So we're going to do the same thing on both sides. So now that we have this curve, let's go ahead and bring this down. So we're going to start to bring it in. So we're going to pass the mouth just a little bit and say about right here, bring it in. And same thing here. Just kind of want to end at the same level, about right there. Then let's go ahead and come up. So let's say about, I'm going to draw a curve right over the head. So let's just imagine this is coming in. So let's say about right here. Here. We're just going to go ahead and draw a curve. So I'm going to say about right here over the eyes. I'm just going to draw this curve right over the eyes. Right there for his little hat. So now that I have that, let's bring this out more. And same thing here. I'm just going to pass this line. So it makes it a little bit easier for me to gauge where to draw everything. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw the hat. So we're going to bring it up. And let's say about right here in the center. Draw this little stem part on top and come right back down. There for his little hat. And then of course the ears. So let's come right here and we're going to curve in and I go nice and full around and bring it in to about right there. So let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag this across so that I know approximately where to go. And once again, same thing. Just go ahead and draw this big curve. And come right back here and connect for his ears. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the rest of his body. So we're going to bring this out. on both sides. And let's see here, about right here is where I'm going to draw his hand. So I'm going to come in a little bit and say about right here. I'm going to draw this simple hand, curve past his eye a little bit, and just bring it in. There. So same thing on the other side, about the same level, about right here. And once again, just draw this curve past the eye a little bit. And bring it in right there. Okay, so then let's go ahead and bring this curve down a little bit more, about right there, kind of like the level of the hand. And we can stop about right there. Then we need to draw the feet. So it's just kind of this big oval right here. So I'm just going to kind of imagine how big I want. I'm going to start right here because it's just easier for my hand, and we're going to curve right there. You can definitely come back and fix your curves. And come in. So same thing on the other side. I'll just drag this across approximately. Right about here. And just want to end at the same level, about right here. Curve in. And then, let's see, just do a little bit more, because we need to kind of connect at the bottom here with a soft curve all the way across. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we can put whatever we like in here so that Pompompurin is holding something like a heart or maybe a flower. But today I thought it'd be really cute to draw this really big, kind of wobble a little bit. I just want to draw this big chocolate chip cookie. So then we're about right here. I'm just going to put in some bite marks. So I'm going to draw two curves. Continue my circle. I'm just going to wobble a little bit because it's a cookie, right? And then, of course, let's put in some chocolate chip. So here and there, I'll just put in these wobbly circles. Maybe another one here. And let's see, we should put a heart somewhere. We'll put it, where should we put a heart for Pompompurin? Maybe I should have added in one of these. You know what, let's put it, okay, let's just put it right here. Sorry, I could not decide. So we'll put a heart right there to make this my just so cute Pompompurin from Sanrio. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you draw this cute Golden Retriever fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.